Thinking of launching an e-commerce store but unsure which platform to use? With so many options out there, WooCommerce for WordPress stands out one of the most powerful, customizable and scalable e-commerce solutions for businesses of all sizes. But setting up a WooCommerce store is just the beginning. To drive sales, enhance user experience and scale efficiently, you need the right strategies. Today I will walk you through how to create, optimize and supercharge your WooCommerce stores for success. Whether you are just starting or looking to improve your existing store, this video is for you. Setting up WooCommerce for e-commerce is simple, but getting it right from the start can save you a lot of time later. Here's what you need to do. Number 1. Choose a reliable hosting provider. A fast and secure website is crucial. Number 2. Install WordPress and WooCommerce, the foundation of your store. Number 3. Select a responsive theme. A well-optimized theme improves user experience. Number 4. Configure payments and shipping option. Make it easy for customers to buy. Number 5. Set up essential plugins. Tools for SEO, security, and analytics are a must. With these steps in place, you have the basic framework of a successful WooCommerce store, optimizing performance and speed. Did you know that 50% of online shoppers abandon websites that take more than 3 seconds to load? Page speed optimization is crucial for WooCommerce SEO and conversions rate. Here's how to improve WooCommerce performance. Use a lightweight theme that loads quickly. Enable caching and a CDN for faster page delivery. Compress images using tools like TinyPNG. Optimize your database to remove unnecessary data. A faster store means better user experience and higher conversions, creating a seamless shopping experience. WooCommerce user experience can make or break your sales. Here's how to improve the shopping experience on your WooCommerce store. Ensure mobile responsiveness. More than 60% of shoppers use mobile devices. Simplify navigation, clear categories and an intuitive menu. Help customer find what they need. Optimize product pages, high quality images, detailed descriptions and reviews build trust. Streamline checkout. Fewer steps mean fewer abandoned carts. A smooth experience means more satisfied customers and increased conversions. SEO and marketing strategies for more sales. A well-optimized WooCommerce store is only valuable if potential customers can find it. That's where WooCommerce SEO and digital marketing comes in. Here's how to increase WooCommerce traffic and sales. Optimize for SEO. Use keywords in product titles, descriptions and meta tags. Leverage content marketing, blog posts and guides. Attract organic traffic. Use email automations. Abandoned cart emails can recover lost sales. Run retargeting ads. Reach back out to visitors who didn't convert. Driving consistent traffic is key to long-term growth. Why continuous optimization is essential. Building a WooCommerce store is not a one-time task. To stay ahead, you need to monitor analytics, understand where customers drop off, A/B, text pages and offers, find what convert best, update products and promotions. Keep your store fresh and engaging. Success comes from continuous improvement and adapting to customers' need. Setting up and optimizing a WooCommerce store can feel overwhelming, but with the right WooCommerce strategy and expert support, it can become a high-converting e-commerce powerhouse. Need expert guidance? We at SDLC Corp help businesses create, optimize and scale their WooCommerce stores for maximized success. Drop a comment below or message us to discuss how we can take your e-commerce business to next level.